ka-extra, it's Felix J. Crypto YouTube channel at it's Ate Joy again. Ngayon, meron na naman tayong pag-uusapan ngayon mga ka-extra sa isang wallet kung saan in-introduce ko noong the other week, mga 3 weeks ago. Nag-unbox po tayo ng isang wallet kung saan yun nga ay ito yung video. So, Dcent Biometric Wallet. So, ngayon mga ka-extra, meron po akong big news para po sa inyo kung gusto po nyo maging reseller at distributor ng Dcent Biometric Wallet. So, mga ka-extra. So, ayan. Meron din ako i-share sa inyo bakit kailangan natin magkaroon ng safe and secure hardware wallet para sa ating mga hard-earned crypto coins at yung mga nabili nating crypto coins sa mga exchange platform. Kasi, importante kasi yung magkaroon po tayo ng hardware wallet like Dcent Biometric Wallet, mga ka-extra. So, mga ka-extra, kung gusto po nyo malaman kung ano ang mga benefits ng magkaroon ng Dcent Biometric Wallet or hardware wallet, ay this video is for you. At dito ko rin, i-share ko din sa inyo gaano ka-importante yung security feature ng isang hardware wallet. At i-share ko din sa inyo what are the several types or hardware wallet or wallets, mga ka-extra. At plus, i-share ko din sa inyo paano nga ba pinoprotektahan ni Dcent yung ating mga cryptocurrency assets sa ating hardware wallet. At ano ba yung gagawin natin kung nasira yung hardware wallet natin at or na-break natin or nawala natin. So, mga ka-extra, panoorin po niyo ang video nito dahil para sa inyo ito. Lalo na sa atin na mahilig po tayong mag-earn ng mga free earning cryptocurrency sa mga free earning website kung saan yan, sinishare ko yan sa aking mga vlogs. Kung nakikita niyo yung mga past vlogs ko ay marami po akong sinishare ng mga free earning website kung saan legit at meron po siyang mga proof of payout. So, mga ka-extra, this video is for you, mga ka-extra. Manood. Nandito na tayo mga ka-extra sa Become Dcent Reseller and Distributor Partners. So, mga ka-extra, so let's go na sa ating topic ngayon. So, ito nga mga ka-extra, dear partner, do you have your own website, store, or distribution channel and want to sell decent products? We are looking for partners who can do just that. Join our Reseller and Distributor program and get access to the most popular hardware wallets in the world at bulk discount. So, mga ka-extra, so, alam niyo yan kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng binasa ko. So, yan. Our partners are very important to us and we want to help you build a successful business. We provide our partners with the following support. So, yan mga ka-extra, the best price for the best wallet in the world, access to dedicated support and marketing materials. Many partners have already joined our Reseller and Distributor program from across the globe and we hope to have you as our new official partner. So, kung meron po kayong, for example, nagbibenta po kayo ng mga hardware wallet or tech, for example, yung mga tech gadgets, ganun, ay pwede po kayong magbenta ng Dcent, no? Lalong-lalo na ngayon is yung cryptocurrency is well known na talaga siya sa mga sa online world. So, mga ka-extra, so, wag na kayong mag-call. So, titingnan po natin yung mga Dcent official partners. So, click lang po natin to. So, yan mga ka-extra. So, naglo-load pa lang siya. So, sino-sino ba yung mga partners ng mga authorized resellers ng Dcent, mga ka-extra. So, naglo-load pa siya. So, ito mga ka-extra. Wait lang natin. Medyo ano po siya. So, yan. Nandito tayo sa website. Authorized reseller. So, ito po yung mga authorized reseller partners ng Dcent. So, yung Maselling or some retailer. So, tingnan lang po natin yung mga So, yan mga bigatin po yung mga resellers nila, mga ka-extra. So, ito yung mga ka-extra kung kaya nyo pong maka-afford po kayo ng maging reseller ng Dcent. So, this opportunity is for you, mga ka-extra. So, in the last part, meron akong ipa-plug kung ano yung saan natin isi-send or paano ba natin ma-reach out yung company ni Dcent. So, yan. So, sa Philippines, meron na mga ka-extra itong hindi ko alam kung anong logo to. Sorry. So, basta meron ng distributor dito sa Philippines. Yan. So, kung gusto natin dumagdag. So, isa lang yung distributor dito sa Pilipinas, no? Isa lang. So, yan mga ka-extra. So, yan. Ito yung mga official resellers ng Dcent. So, yan. So, balik ulit tayo. So, yan. We would love to have you as our official partner. Please reach out to us by sending an email to the address below. Thank you very much for your interest and we have to get back to you soon with positive feedback. So, yan. Yan mga ka-extra. Ito yung yung email nila. So, dito tayo magsisend kung gusto ba natin magiging official partner o maging official reseller nila. So, about us. So, ano ba yung Dcent, no? IoTrust is the creator of Dcent Wallet. So, si IoTrust yung creator. So, a new generation of uber convenient biometrically secured hardware wallets that literally put the management of precious digital assets at your fingertips. Our company, founded by security experts with over 20 years of security know-how and engineering experience in developing deeply embedded security solutions based on secure chip technology, SE and TE. Dcent Wallet aims to protect users' digital assets by combining software and hardware security solutions. Users have the choice of using the biometric wallet card type wallet or the software wallet. So, yan mga kaisa yung mukha niya. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking own na biometric wallet. So, yan, yung in-unbox natin. So, ipapakita ko yun. So, ito yung mga ka-extra. Yan. So, ito yung pinadala sa akin ng Dcent. So, yan. So, ito yung makikita natin. Yan. Yung product, product specification. At meron dito yung listahan ng recovery seed. At ito yung biometric wallet. Yan. Umandar po yan. So, i-connect lang po natin siya sa ating yan. At pwede natin siyang i-connect sa ating phone. So, panoorin na po nyo ang video, no? Na in-unbox ko siya kung paano ba natin i-set up at paano ba natin siya, i-connect sa ating phone, sa mobile app. So, ngayon mga ka-extra, so doon, sinare ko din sa inyo paano mag-transfer ng Shiba Inu, yung kasi natin ngayon mas na well-known sa atin ngayon is, so mga ka-extra, for intermission lang muna. So ngayon, please, kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell para po ma-update po kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko every week. So mga ka-extra, so please paki-like na rin to ang video na to para din ma-recommend ni YouTube sa mga kaibigan natin na gustong matuto tungkol sa cryptocurrency at kumita online sa Shiba Inu. So ngayon, balik tayo sa ating topic. So yan. Why do you need a hardware wallet? So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, mga ka-extra. Why do you need a hardware wallet? Most users have likely taken the first step into the cryptocurrency is by purchasing coins from exchanges. Exchanges may appeal for the benefits of convenient management. However, leaving your funds there may not be a great idea. To better understand, we need to have a clear understanding of the famous expression, not your case, not your Bitcoin. So yan, which hints to the notion of ownership. So yan mga ka-extra. When you own cryptocurrency, what you really own is the private key, a secret information used to authorize the outgoing transfer from your account that exists on the blockchain network. Anyone who has the secret key can spend the funds. When you leave your funds on an exchange, you are actually entrusting the third party to keep your private key safety. So yan, in short, whoever has the private key in position has the real ownership to the associated funds. Think of this way. When the private key is in your position, for example, ito, meron akong private key, meron akong private key dito. Nandito sa papel. Private key is on your position. You are the one who authorized the transaction. So, ngayon mga ka-extra, yung Shiba Inu ko is nandito na talaga sa akin. So, meron talaga akong ownership. You are the one who authorizes the transaction. Conversely, when your private key is entrusted to an exchange, you're asking the exchange to authorize the transaction on your behalf. What is a hardware wallet? So, mga ka-extra, yan. May basa pa yun na yun. So, what is a hardware wallet? There are several types of wallet existing in various forms: a paper, software wallet, or hardware wallet. Paper wallet, one way to remove the cheats that come with internet connectivity is to use a paper wallet. A paper wallet is simply a piece of paper where the private key and the account address information is printed on. This type of old-school approach in digital assets management may work for a few long-term holders, but for the most, it is definitely cumbersome to use on daily basis. Second, software wallet or hot wallet. So, yung mga mobile apps na, for example, Coins.ph, Binance, o Coinbase, so wala silang mga hardware wallet. Many people are content with using the software wallets on their mobile. So, yung mga, kasi ako noon, content na ako na meron akong software wallets. On their mobile phones, these kinds of wallets are called hot wallets because they are on devices directly connected to the internet, subject to malware and other increasingly sophisticated threats. When you use a software wallet, safekeeping of your funds is highly reliant on the level of protection by your phone. According to data from the FTC in the United States of America, in 1 month alone, 2,658 incidents of mobile phone account hijacking were reported. So imagine mga ka-extra, 2,658 every month in 1 month alone yan. So di talaga secured yung mobile phone natin kasi nagbabrowse po tayo, di ba? Yung mobile apps natin, for example, meron tayong Coinbase. So, what if kung meron tayong na-click na link, so yan, meron tayong na-click na link mga ka-extra yun, magiging meron ng spyware or virus yung natin, yung phone natin. So, prone talaga siya sa mga hijacking yung natin, yung phone. So, pwede siyang ma-hack. This data only enumerate one type of attack that mobile software wallets are subject to. So, yan. Hardware wallet, cold storage. Dcent wallets are hardware wallets. These cold storage devices are the antithesis of a paper wallet. Hardware wallets are all high-tech. Hardware wallet is an offline storage device that is not directly connected to the internet and it stores the private key to your cryptocurrency funds. How Dcent Wallet protects your cryptocurrency? So dito mga ka-extra, paano nga ba pinoprotektahan ni Dcent Wallet yung ating mga crypto assets dito sa ating sa ating hardware wallet. So, paano nga ba? Hardware security. Security element technology is a crucial component of the hardware that inspire confidence in Dcent hardware wallet. A secure element, AC, is a microprocessor specifically designed for protection against physical attacks and to mitigate side channel attacks. A secure element must be certified product common criteria, which means that the security chip is proven to resist attacks based on state-of-the-art techniques. Isolation security called storage. The security chip embedded in Dcent hardware wallet and the countermeasures technology applied is an industry standard for protecting sensitive data. This ensures the highest level of isolation and environment that can securely process cryptography operation and also store the private keys in encrypted state. Integrity and verification. Firmware is like operating system but much smaller in size and strictly confined to the minimum functionalities that makes the hardware device to function as intended. The EC in the Dcent hardware wallet verifies the integrity of the device. That firmware images goes through signature verification before it can be loaded. Unauthorized image loaded on the hardware wallet will render the device non-operable. Biometric security. Dcent Biometric Wallet is the first hardware wallet in the world to provide built-in fingerprint sensor for enhanced security and privacy. So, ang kagandahan ng mga ka-extra, meron siyang fingerprint. So, provide built-in fingerprint sensor for enhanced security and privacy. So, tayo lang talaga ang makakapag-open nito mga ka-extra kasi may kanya-kanya tayong fingerprint. So, may own fingerprint tayo. Not only does the fingerprint sensor provide higher level of security, but also makes the whole process of the cryptocurrency transaction much simple and fast. What if I lose my wallet or it breaks? Hardware wallet generates a set of random 24 recovery words. When initialized for the first time, you'll be prompted to write down 24 words on a recovery sheet. These 24 words are also called mnemonic code, and they are the human understandable backup of the master key, which all your private keys are derived from. These 24 words are also called These 24 words are essential for recovering the master key in the event of loss of broken hardware wallet. You can enter your mnemonic code on a new device to recover full access to your cryptocurrency assets. So, kahit mawala yan mga ka-extra or mag-break siya makasal, basta nandito lang yung recovery, yung personal recovery seed natin. So, wala pa yan. So, nandun sa isa. Personal recovery seed natin, ma-open pa rin natin siya mga ka-extra. Mnemonic code must be kept in a safe place and never shared with anyone. Anyone getting access to these 24 words will have full access to your cryptocurrency. So, yan. So, wag natin basta-basta ibigay. So, conclusion. So, in mind, Dcent hardware wallet features uniquely designed hardware architecture that provides robust security by creating highly secure isolation for private key storage. The device works in a tandem to a mobile application with support for iOS and Android. Users can connect the hardware wallet to their mobile phone via Bluetooth, an added benefit of improving the portability, which allows users to manage their cryptocurrency portfolio on the go. Dcent Wallet also features a built-in D-app browser, which provides users with access to the various services built as decentralized application including DeFi, games, NFT, and many more. Dcent hardware wallet currently supports over 40 different blockchains networks. So yan, imagine mo yan mga ka-extra, 40 different blockchain networks and more than 4,000 types of cryptocurrency assets that can be managed. So mga ka-extra, pwede po natin i-follow sila sa kanilang YouTube, Facebook, at Instagram mga ka-extra. So para mas may malalaman po tayo sa Dcent. So mga ka-extra, hanggang dito lang yung binabasa ko mga ka-extra. So yan. Thank you and God bless.